This is a reminder that the information in these posts and video are all part of a multiple-part series on agency. There are a total of 5 episodes and this is number 3. Please go back and look at the information presented previously. I promise once we get all 5 released, they'll tie together very nicely. This is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate, episode 132 on agency agreement. As a client in a real estate transaction, you must give me permission in writing to allow me to act on your behalf. This written agreement is what spells out my duty to you, what you can legally expect from me, and the amount of compensation I am due once I perform my obligations to you and we close the deal. If you're a buyer, we will use the exclusive buyer agency agreement to bind us together legally. I'm going to cover that in another episode in a few weeks. As a seller, we use the exclusive right to sell. Both of these legal documents explain in detail what the expectations are for both of us. If you're my client, I'll always sit down and walk with you step by step through these forms to make sure you understand them in as much detail as possible. As of the shooting of this video, I haven't produced videos episodes past this, but we're scheduled to focus only a listing agreement in 2 or 3 more episodes from now. The subsequent posts will be based on the listing process and the documents that go along with that. When you sign an agreement, your agency agreement is what the firm and not the individual agent. While I love my clients and will do most anything I can to assist them in their real estate needs, I do play the lottery, and if I win the big one, I can almost guarantee that I'm going to move away from the world of real estate. My clients can rest easy knowing that the clients will be well served by agents within my firm. P.S. If I'm going to win, I'm going to buy your house too. Once the agency agreement is signed, the agent owes you, the client, their loyalty. I should be working on your behalf with your best interest in mind. I should follow your lawful instructions. I should provide you with reasonable skill, care, and diligence. I should keep all of our conversations confidential. I like to think of the conversations you have with me as like talking to yourself, but with an opinion and a different perspective. I always try to think through both sides of the equation, so I'm anticipating problems and solving them before we get to a bump in the road. The next entries will be dealing with dual agency, and I'll be wrapping up the series with exclusive buyer agency agreement. There's plenty of other videos on my YouTube channel and blog posts on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. I hope you're finding value in these posts, and please share them with your friends. You can also connect with me directly on social media. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.